This Century 21 Delia Realty Group property video is presented by Reddoch Hooks. You may have found your new home. This 2021 built home has all the extras you want without having to pay for a privacy fence and large back patio, perfect for cooking and relaxing. The open floor plan is perfect for entertaining or just relaxing and enjoying the family. This one needs to be on your list to view. Call your quality service agent today. Don't wait, this one is going to sell fast. Call Reddoch Hooks, Century 21 Quality Service Realtor 337-375-2129 for more information. Review the details below or contact Reddoch Hooks at 1337-463-2121.